And the first thing we always do is put them in expanded notation. So 17 in expanded notation is 10 plus 7, and 15 in expanded notation is 10 plus 5. Now, FOIL is actually an acronym. It's to help you keep the process straight. Each of the letters in the word FOIL means something different. So here is what all the words mean. F is for first, O is for outside, I is for inside, and L is for last. So what you're doing is, what we end up doing in all of the multiplication is we end up multiplying all 4 of these digits together in some sort of fashion. But instead of having to draw a diagram, we're going to use the FOIL method to do this. So what we do is, using the FOIL method, we're going to keep what we're multiplying to straight. So FOIL, the F means first. So we're going to multiply the first digits in both of our sets together. And we get 10 times 10. 10 times 10 gives us 100. Now, O means outside. That means these 2 outside numbers that we have. That's 10 and 5. So we're going to link these 2 together like we've linked our first numbers. Outside numbers, 10 and 5. So we multiply these 2 numbers together. 10 times 5 gives us 50. Now, I means inside, so we're going to do these 2 inside numbers that are closest to each other. 7 times 10, that gives us 70. And then the last numbers, those are the 2 last numbers. And we have kind of a crisscross here. 7 times 5 equals 35. Now, if you actually drew an area model, you find that you actually end up multiplying all of these numbers times each other just like this way. But instead of having to drawing it out or getting a sheet of paper that I've printed out for you, we've actually kind of done it really quick this way. So we end up adding them all together because, again, that is the last step that we have done in the area model or in the distributive method. We get 5 here, and then we add 5 plus 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15. Carry the 1.
She meant 5 plus 7.
And 17 times 15 is 255. Now I'm going to check real quick with the standard algorithm just to make sure that that number is correct. So that gives me 35. Carry 5 times 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to put my X there, 1 and 7. Oh, and then 5.
Where she put the X, I taught you guys to do a 0.
So the FOIL method works. Now let's do another example.